here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the Oukitel RT6. So this is a tablet for you to take everywhere. I would say that's a work tablet, as you guys can see it here. Look how strong this is. It's very heavy. Look at this. So in this video, I will tell you all about this tablet, specs, price. We'll do a video and photo, so we can talk about the camera. It's only 16 megapixels camera, so nothing much. So let's start with the price. The Oukitel RT6 has a price tag of £339.99 in UK. For the US, the price tag is $379.99. I will leave a discount code of 20% in the video description. So, like always, please check the video description for best price and product information. Let's see the unboxing. So, you have a nice and clean white box, like the other Oukitel products. Inside, you have the charger, 2 hooks with 2 screws and a screwdriver, USB-C to USB-C cable for charging, and a strap. But it's not only this, there is more inside. You have a bracket to put on the back of your tablet, or on that later, and the hand belt. Then you have a SIM card tool and the manuals. And hang on a second, let's not forget, we have the tablet itself as well. Looking at the tablet straight out of the box, you can see that is one powerful rugged tablet and really good quality. Having the tablet horizontally placed, at the right side you have the power button and the volume buttons. On the left side, the Type-C charging port and the SIM and SD card tray. At the back you have 4 holes so that you can fix the brackets and put the straps. And on the top right corner, the 16 megapixels camera and the flash. The screen comes with the screen protector installed already, and on the top you have the 16 megapixels front camera. Just before we move, I need to tell you that this tablet is so strong that I feel that I can drop it from any height and it will be fine. The screen is a 10.1 inches FHD Plus display with a resolution of 1200 by 1920 and with a brightness of 400 nits. Great for watching videos on YouTube or Netflix. Let's see some of the specs next. So powering the RT6 you have the MediaTek MT8788 with octa-core. It runs Android 13. It has 14 GB of RAM and 256 GB of ROM that can be expandable to 1 TB. It has a back and front camera with both being 16 megapixels. It has Bluetooth, dual 4G SIM and 5G Wi-Fi. It has face unlock. It has IP68 and IP69K waterproof performance. And it comes with a huge battery of 2000 mAh battery. Talking about battery, it's massive, like I said. 2000 mAh battery. But it's not only that, because you have also 33 watts fast charging and OTG support. So really, this tablet is also a power bank. The battery will last you forever. In standby, will be around 2250 hours. If you listen to music, will be around 50 hours. Calling your loved ones will be around 16 hours. Video around 15 hours. And if you want to use the octa-core processor for gaming, will last you around 15 hours as well. Having a battery like this one is great, but comes with a small drawback. This tablet weighs 1.87 kilograms. But there is different ways of carrying this tablet, and Oukitel have provided you a bracket or even a strap. You can also place the tablet on different positions using the bracket. The RT6 comes with front and back 16 megapixels cameras. Please be the judge on the next video quality inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the video quality of the Oukitel RT6 with the front facing camera. I got the lights facing me, so I'm not going to try without any light because it's a 16 megapixel camera, so it is what it is. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the video quality with the front camera. We're going to do the same with the back camera. Again, plenty light inside of my room, so 16 megapixels is what it is. We're gonna go outside and do the same outside.
Right guys, so this is the video quality outside and I'm walking, so let's see if it shakes a lot or not. Again, 16 megapixels camera, let me know what you guys think about the quality. Right guys, now using the front camera, 16 megapixels. Does it shakes a lot? Doesn't look like it does. Let me turn here, having the sun down there. Yeah, it's not bad. Well, 16 megapixels. I'm gonna go back inside and carry on the review. We're gonna see some of the photos next.
The Oukitel RT6 comes with an octa-core processor and 8GB of RAM. This delivers a great performance and speed even with more demanding tasks. Multitasking, browsing the web is lag-free. Watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is also lag-free. Oukitel RT6 will run games like PUBG without any problems and lag-free. For my testing, there is no overheating. The Oukitel RT6 is robust and reliable. In any condition, it runs the latest Android 13 and has one octa-core processor. This means that the RT6 is capable of handling the simple tasks like navigation, all the way up to multiple tasks and even games and video without any lag. It's without any doubt the easiest rugged tablet to recommend. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Oukitel RT6, a great tablet at a great price. If you found any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it all around your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Like always, if you want to buy this product, I will leave a link in the video description. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.